How to get your referral code on Jumptask. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your referral code on Jumptask. To do so, first of all, open your Jumptask application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this page at the top left, you will be able to see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines and this will open up the site menu. From this menu here you'll be able to see the option labeled Referrals. Once you find this option, you need to tap on it and this will take you to a new page. In this page here at the bottom you'll be able to see your referral code. At the right side you'll also be able to see the copy button. In this referral section you should see your unique referral code displayed. This is the code you can share with your friends to earn bonus. Now you can copy this code and share it with your friends or family on social media. To copy it, you need to tap on the copy option presented at the right side of your code. Once you tap on this copy option, it will be copied. After sharing your code, whenever someone uses your code during registration, both you and the new user can earn bonus. So by following these steps, you can easily get your referral code on Jumptask. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.